There are two types of XML structure, element-centric and attribute-centric. Let's look at an example of each. First of all, we want to run a SQL query and save the returned data in the element-centric XML format. We use for XML Auto to create the XML structure. An XML structure requires a root element. We use the root directive to create the root element. We need to give the root element a name. In our example, we use full name. We tell SQL Server this XML structure is going to be element-centric by specifying elements. Let's run the query. Here is the handle to the XML structure. Click on it and open the structure. For each XML structure, a root element is required. Here is the opening tag for the root element. The matching closing tag for the root element is at the end. For each element, there must be an opening tag and a matching closing tag. Look at this person element. The opening tag is here. The matching closing tag is here. The tags are case sensitive. All of the elements must be properly nested. The nesting structure indicates data relationship. Let's close this window. Next, we want to look at the attribute-centric XML structure. We will run the query again and save the returned data in the attribute-centric XML format. The attribute-centric XML format is the default. Therefore, we don't need to specify the type in the query. Run the query. Click on the handle and open the structure. The attribute-centric XML structure also has a root element. For each person record, the columns are attributes, such as first name, middle name, and last name. For the value of an attribute, such as Said, for this first name, the value must be quoted in double quotation marks. This concludes our discussions on two types of XML structure.